155 kasad mga brad. Mayroon mo sa Yamaha Sniper.
Okay kayo, first time.
What is up mga brad? So for today's video no, padong ta sa Kart Zone Cebu because because we are invited to witness the Blue Crew Racing Camp in Cebu Kart Zone. Alright, English yan ha. Yamaha Racing Team. Invite sa Yamaha mga brad no. Alright, so ano ta dire sa Kart Zone. So daghan gid ay tao. So makita tagka parkingan, ari taloyo parking. Okay. Shout out Axel Moto. Invite sad ka? Sa Agianan. Blue Crew nga Yamaha mga brad. Sniper 155. Alright, so Sniper 155 kasad mga brad. Aerox 155. So mo ni ang Yamaha Aerox 155 mga brad. Magdagan mo. So grabe kainit sa dula. So overshift TV ka ba na to?
Grabe ayaya. Sakto kay Niton.
Yamaha Sniper.
Okay kayo, first time.
Okay kayo. Grabe mga brad, naka-RCB. RCB suspension.
to have with us this afternoon two international racers. Make that three, but only two joined us. On second place, rider number 27 from Team Yamaha Philippines Racing Team, Gian Mauricio. Kasama yung kuya. Matagal ko nang hindi nagtigilan daw. Sir Edwin Mauricio. And our champion, still from Team Yamaha Philippines Racing Team, rider number 23. That's his official number. The original wonder boy, Makili Kalpas. These are our winners for the Honorable 155 Open GP category. Third place is Mayunahan, second place Gian Mauricio, and our champion, Makili Kalpas.